we're picking up where we left off, claw machine build part 2. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go to the channel and do, because every sub, we're gonna add a penny to that grand prize, and today, we're gonna work on the thing that's gonna win you up to $10,000 in our next drawings. And today, we're gonna get the rest of these little odds and ends put together. So follow with me and let's go. I gotta put all these bolts in here first before I put it up on the gantry, because I need the slot I cut out. The heads are too wide, they were hitting the sidewall, so I needed to cut a slot out. So I had room for these bolts to sit in there. Oh, so many choices. This is where I keep all my nuts and bolts at. And every time I need something, I'm always I never remember exactly which blue container I have them in. Oh, hang on. I have the wrong side. So this bar is obviously way too small, but I don't have any more of these hangers for it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these, just with the precision engineering of electrical tape, make an adapter to fit those clamps. Right now we're testing to see if this pulley has enough space in it to be able to wind up this entire string, which, yes and no, it's pretty close. I might just need to 3D print a new one. I think that'd be better. If we just add some either bigger sidewalls or replace this with like some fishing line, I think that would be better. So this is too big right now for the pulley, but I'm gonna see if I can take a little bit of vacuum line, put it here in between, and if I can push that shaft in here and make it work. Saves me like 10 bucks from having to buy it online. Wow, it's gonna work. Oh man. That is oddly satisfying. How beefy that pulley is. Okay, so we've got the X-axis in, so now our claw machine moves left, it moves right. I modified this pulley to work with the smaller stepper motor, and I replaced the string. It was using like a clothesline string, and I replaced it with steel cable, something a little bit thinner that can wind up into this pulley. So now, as you see, we have everything working together, and now the claw can go down and it can go up. So once we get this programmed onto the Arduino, we'll be able to fully automate the up and down. But yeah, it's got full reach all the way to the bottom. We're looking good. Looks a little bit different than when we started. Now we have the claw in, which is awesome. We've got the new pulley. We've got our belt and stepper motor for the X. This is really coming together, so stay tuned for the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's keep building this claw machine and get you guys some big prizes.